Are you struggling with the keto diet? Let's face it, sticking to strict carbs can be challenging. Cravings hit hard, and fatigue can make you give up. What if I told you there's a solution? Imagine overcoming cravings, boosting energy, and melting away pounds. Introducing our powerful keto supplement. It's your ally on this weight loss journey. First, it helps burn fat more efficiently. Second, it curbs those tough cravings effectively. Third, it boosts your energy levels significantly. Unlike others, our formula is transparent and natural. Packed with proven ingredients like forskolin and Garcinia cambogia, it's designed for real results. Experience the combined power of chromium and capsicum for better metabolism. This isn't just a supplement, it's your partner for success. Let's take your keto journey to the next level.
Thank you for watching. For a more in-depth review of the product, click the link in the description below to visit the official website.